Hello, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product. Is GrabVid. It will be launched on today. That is September 21, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, what is the name of this product? What was the difference? Is the product? This product is make every video go further with this system. The world's first repurpose any video and get 21st times more traffic and sales. And you will tap and you will grab untapped buyers for untapped targets by launching 21st more international campaign with the same old content. The first to market app instantly will purpose any royalty-free traffic without hiring anyone. It is also to transfer it into also your money-making machine. This is very easy to use interface. This is also fully cloud because this on the cloud. No need to download on configurations needed. It is completely useful for use. If you want, this is also it is just very simple. 3 steps. Step 1, grab it. Upload a video or pic from millions different royalty-free YouTube video. Step 2, you will purpose just a few clicks translate the video into different language and captions and much more. And then the step 3 is get result. Just one click and you will synchronization on Facebook, LinkedIn, and also you can sell this to some web inspire in any age, any niche of your choice. This is also scroll down you will the sales page. You have some testimonial to how to use this, and also and you can also to take you can take a look the sales page for yourself. But I also have some exclusive bonus for you. If you are interested in this product, please stay with me. I also have please stay with me. I also have exclusive bonus for you. And if you want to grab my bonus, click the link below in the description. The first link is my bonus page. Also, I have some exclusive bonus for you. The second link is a free course. You will teach you a free training course, teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. The third link is a free membership. You can grab it, and then you can give away, and also we will get paid. Don't forget, you will get this is completely free. So let's take a look at what I have exclusive bonus for you. I have so let's take a the first of all I have some exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you will have a video course how discover how to rank your videos high on YouTube. Just implementing a few ninja hacks. Bonus number 2, you will have a set of 10 YouTube cover photo on a variety of niches. This is very helpful for you to how to make use of your YouTube. Just not only you make money online, you can use it on self-help fitness, something like that. Bonus number 3, you will also have a package contains 100 viral video over 100. It also includes viral codes, video, image, and PSD files, and also 100 background something more. You can grab it. Bonus number 4 is instant access to 315 royalty-free premium soundtracks. Includes all of my bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4 and 5. You don't have to pay any hire someone to create for you because the cost is so much. If you want to go to some website and you will have to buy, you will have to be a membership, and also you can download them for individual file. You will cost you much money, but this bonus number 3 and 4, you will save a lot of money. And I want to save more money. Is bonus number 5. You will get 100 over 100 graphic design bundle. This bundle is included mock-ups, order box, testimonials, template, switch page, social button, navigation bar, and lots of more. This is also a very awesome graphic. Bonus number 6, urgency switch pro. It is also software you can and you can instantly integrate it with your website. This is also simply is a timer on your web page. It is also to tell your visitor you could grab this bonus on whatever you offer for them. You will increase your conversion. Bonus number 7 is a free software create thumbnail and give video then convert reactions perfectly without saying too much. Gift is a very powerful way you can share this on many social media. Just not text. You will get a free course how to generate massive quality traffic consistently through social media. This is also extra bonus for you to how to drive more traffic through social media, and you will get all the exclusive bonus, special bonus for vendor. So they also have some exclusive bonus for you. They have a bonus number 1. You will have a webinar, 6-figure video marketing. Bonus number 2 is a video script campaign. Bonus number 3 is video analysis. Bonus number 4 article helper. Bonus number 5 is domain alert. Bonus number 6 is price war. Bonus number 7 when your video. Bonus number 8 is video monetization guard. And also you will get all this bonus before the countdown timer hit 0. And when you press this blue button and you will get all my exclusive bonus inside. This is all the product is on GrabVid, and you when you press this blue button you will get all my exclusive bonus, even if you just purchase my front end. And my bonus page in the description below. The first link is my bonus page, and don't forget you will get my second link is the free video training how to make money with affiliate marketing. The second link is free membership. You will get it and give away, and also you will get paid. So let's take a look let's take a look at what lastly I want to learn and take a look at what is about the front end and upsell and the price. The front end you will get personal you will get this or a personal commercial. It is also the different price, $37 or $47. I highly recommend you to grab this commercial version because it is unlimited version that you can grab it and sell this as commercial. You will get 100% and how to use this software. You will accept both video and YouTube video, automated transcripting, automatic translation, overlay subtitle, auto caption creation, auto caption placement, which customizations of each video, your own video and image stock library, done for you templates to choose from, one click upgrade, upload to Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, create square videos for Facebook, attention grabbing animations. It is also 100% cloud-based. You nothing to download and install and configure. It is also and also have some upsell. Upsell number 1 is unlimited version. It is come with $97 and you could grab it for downsell $37. You will have unlimited video, unlimited video length, unlimited social channel. This is also get proprietary support. You just free upgrade to traffic simulator. It is worth $67. Upsell number 2 is done for you template club. This is also have 2 versions. And unlimited template is $97 for one price, or you can pick it up for $70 per month. This is also included in unlimited video templates, over 150 available in templates, 1,000 templates in the next month. And also you have a modern templates, beautiful design. This is also just one-time price. And also you can grab it for the downsell. It is only for 1,000 templates. It's only $47. And the last upsell is agency. This is also included two versions. 100 and 500 sub account. 100 sub account is 1,197. This is also provide just for personal access. But if you grab this for 2,297, you will have 500 sub account. This is also provide unlimited access. And also you can grab their email, VL script, and landing page. If you have extra money, I highly recommend you to grab this for 500 sub account. And you can Very agency, this is agency. You will have support and how to and then you can use their sales page to sell this to your client. And also you have some benefit you will in grabbing. You will get untapped buyer traffic for untapped market, and it's 23 international campaign because you have different about 23 language. You will market it to different market. First to market app instantly repurpose any royalty-free traffic. No need to create videos from scratch. Easy to use interface. Is also a cloud-based, no download on configurations needed. And also I included a demo video about 7 minutes and 42 seconds. You will watch it inside my bonus page. Also, don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus, included vendor bonus before. I will remind you, before the countdown timer hits 0, you will get all my exclusive bonus. Even though you just purchased the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus. Inside the JB Zoo, the blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus. That's it. Okay, this is also very awesome. You should definitely grab this software. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have more review and also as well some marketing tips for you. Thank you.